Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the dead tree activity in Great Garden. So talk to the dead tree and select the show tasks. And basically it's going to give you 3 tasks. You'll need to open 3 Halloween gear boxes, harvest 5 moonlit mutated plants, and sell 25 corn. Then you'll get a random reward here, and for a limited and random reward, you can get the weeping branch. And it gradually mutates nearby plants, evolving them from wilted to withered to desolate. So yeah, you do need to do the quests. Here, I don't know if I have corn in my inventory. So I want to sell my inventory real quick. Oh, what did I sell? That's a lot. I'm going to sell my corn. Hopefully I have 25. I'm not sure though, if I'm being honest. So let's see if I have enough. I don't think I do. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can do the dead tree activity. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.